My name is Benetta. Today I want to making a house game. I think I made scissors. It's okay, right? Okay, it's part 4 now. Let me see. Let me try again. Just wait there. We can try and try and try it. Hopper, flopper, yes indeed. Then the Hopper see Lena. She was the older Lena. Why she doesn't call Lena and Ballerina, so she asking. They come because she need to make a house. Then say yes because she knows it's her imagination and she can make the house. Then say what beautiful living room. This is beautiful. This picture is pretty interesting. I see that bit. And the people say thank you. Oh, I give a little bit different name. The beaver when the harpers come to your house, I want to give some sprite. Let's try.
They are speaking.
Stop out. Then we'll wait in here. Alright. After we can make 1 year later. Duplicate it. And just made it. Oh, we just can duplicate this. And just say 1 year later. Oh, wrong. Try again. 1 year later. 1 year later. Oh, wrong. 1 year later. There you see me. One. Oh, I think she wrongs. No, 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 no. Scoot. Just be like this, okay? See. Just to for 1 year later, okay? That's how we see up. Year later. Oh, I wronged 1 year later. No, 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 no. 1 year later. Okay, 1 year later. Looks good now. I think a little bit different. Okay, after that we can change it. Now let me try. I think we can use this 1 year later. Hey, but how we can use it? So different. Oh, but we delete it and just one. And we can use that pixel. It's not very good. We can use some serif or handwriting, marker, pixel, serif, serif. 1 year later, not. Are you getting handwriting? Get 1 year later. Making it a little bit bigger. No, 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 no. Yes, good. Can make it a little bit bigger again. One year later. Good. Good now. Control C. Copy it. Copy and now then we need to pick this and delete it. Delete. We will pick in the backdrop. I just want to give the backdrop because on the we cannot use it. Hold on, I'll give color blue. I should forget. Good, now color blue looks good. Now we can convert to bitmap. And we can paste up. Good. Now, oh, we can do this again. This is too not good. Let's try a little bit different. The feel? What is the feeling? Is that a hot find? Let's try the light color painter. What is color it? What is this? So not good. The field is 0. No. Oh man. Oh, what's this here? Okay. Okay. Ooh, we get an in a pop. Not good. To do anything to make this look good. Making cover. Not rice. Be nice. Oh, but a yellow. Yellow. Get now, get yellow. Dang, dang. Now Control V. 1 year later. No. Go to factor. 1 year later. No, two. I think we can explain it. We can use color pinky. Sure. Uh, uh, looks good now. Not good. We can do either. I think we just finish in color. What? Good now. Control V. Yoo-hoo, 1 year later is back. 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 Without the color anymore. With the color anymore. I do a little bit of good enough. Actually, good now. 1 year later. Wait once again. 1 year later. I can just use custom to what? Yeah. Oh no 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 no. 1 year second. Switch to custom 4. Let's try. Ooh, no, this is Naruto speaking. Shoot. There's a Harper.
There they are speaking about making a house. Ballerina, Lina, and Cindy
Sim 3. Where's the
found
custom 3?
a builder man, and
Oh, yeah.
they
Okay.
say
I love this too. They're speaking about making a house. I know why. We need custom 3. Let me see. Custom 3. We pick custom 3. Ah, okay. It's custom 4 and custom. Wait there. Then they're talking about making a house. That was already 1 year later. So when it custom 1, wrong. Custom 1. Then custom 2. Eh? Custom 4. Custom 3. Wrong. Custom 3. We just need a little bit. Replicate this. Good, now we can use custom 2. Let's try when I receive narrator speaking. King about making a house. And again, there's already 1 year later. Say Harper.
there they are speaking about making a house.
are
Ballerina,
telling
Lina,
about
and
it.
Cindy
Let's just wait.
found a builder man, and they say later we will meet at park.
It's very
After
long.
they at the park, Ballerina, Lina
Okay,
like
let's see.
this the house. Then
Question
the
3, question
builderman
4.
say yes.
Question,
Okay, I think the
question 4 is
builderman say
this.
I
Wait,
can.
1 year later. Stop. Okay, I have seen it. It doesn't right. Ha ha. Ha. You know how I made it? I just heard it. And I say, I think the question for that long is like 4, so I made it. Now let's try again. Correct. Question 4. 1 year later. Correct command. Question command. Where's Harper? It's not meant. Wait. Oh, I have seen. When the people say thank you, it's a little bit fast. So waiting. I can wait for a second. Let's try. From character. This I can use Harper's comment. I sorry come late. It's okay. Can I get tour of your house? Yes, of course. Get tour of my house. First, thank you. Ah, that was good. And I go a little bit faster. I get a little bit deeper than Harper. I think because she talked too faster, so I did it a little bit the second a little bit slowly. So like they picking like this. Hello, my name is Benita, and say hello, and the people say yes, and my name is Ashley. It's like that, right? So we just comment. So if we can one, but if I say, hey, are you by us? And hey, of course not. Huh. Of course not. It's not very good, right? So we should make it not very bad, so we can still cause we can still read it like this. You can read it right, but if you have just change between you change change her costume first. Okay, I already get some treaties. Not this. Harper. The Harper one. Yes, Harper is like this. She's got this. Next, she's a little shorty one with a little tooth. She doesn't clutching, so it doesn't be so cute. Next Harper, she is. Oh, I just don't want to change up the place. So it's not very good now. I give what is it? I give some high heels to him. To her feet. All of the shoes is high heels. She is the first swimming course to the high heels. But only her parade gonna use high heels. But do you know how to make a high heels? You didn't just say like this. Don't pick it. You need to pick up like this. We just need to kiss you. Fine fishing. This fishing. You get some shoes be right. You need to be gracious and we pick this button and we pick this and we copy paste it. Then we put it on this list. We made it as long as we want. Then we color it as same as the before, like this one. See the bone of it? We make the same as this. So and then we erase this one and the wing one and this one and this two and then I will like this. But before that, I always want to not have this. We try to do it. It will look like not beautiful very much, but I look as a movie is not beautiful, but beautiful too. Okay, later I'll wait at part 4. Okay, you will save it. Okay, waiting. You change the name. Backsplit as 4. Oh no! Cancel. House 4. Then file next to save. Let's waiting. Wait. Wow, good. Okay. And turn of it and save. Huh? No, cancel. I didn't make it. Save your computer. Okay. Then we just need to let this in. And you done a tree. Now it's the see. Yeah. Don't forget to take a comment below. Oh, and click subscribe and I will thank you. Subscribe button and the bell. Thank you.